Hello everybody, welcome to Short Shot Archery. Anthony here, and I think it's time for a nice little archery update. Keep you guys updated on what's going on here at Short Shot Archery and with me, and kind of like some basic layout of plans for the future. So we've been very busy here with the tungsten points. They've been really popular. We're actually trying to roll out another tungsten point for another kind of arrow in the near future here, so hopefully there'll be an official announcement soon. But we're actually working with some other people in archery that brought up the idea. So yes, there'll be a different tungsten point for a non-Easton brand of arrows in the near future, very near future, probably the next month or so, give or take. That's been pretty exciting, and it's taken up a lot of time, which is kind of good, kind of bad. There's a strong possibility that I could be doing short shot archery full time in the future. As long as this trend continues to hold strong, then it will be viable for me to do archery full time, which will mean a ton of videos and a ton of other things that I get to do, because basically everything has to skirt around, well, me shooting arrows myself, and of course the job that helps pay the bills for all this. So when one of those two goes away, and that's not the shooting, then we'll have time to do, well, more shooting for me personally, which will make me happy, and we'll get to do more videos and just share more archery content. And well, that's been the goal this entire time to start with. So keep an eye out on that. We did release some stainless steel and tungsten weights for stabilizers. I think for right now the tungsten weights are just going to be available in the 5/16. The stainless steel is going to be available in the 5/16 and the 1/4 inch varieties. They're just, stainless steel's way cheaper to make, so I can make a lot more of that without having a major cost burden on me, since I run Short Shot Archery, so I also finance all of Short Shot Archery. We don't even take out any loans. Nobody owns us, so it's all completely self-funded. So as you can probably tell, if you've been following the last many years, development's been slow, but it's slowly ramping up, and that's because, well, that's what happens when you're trying to fund everything yourself. May is actually also Short Shot Archery's birthday. It would be bad if I get this wrong. We officially started in like 2015, which is pretty cool. So 2021 would make 6 years, if I can math right with my public school education. So pretty cool, 6 years old, getting up there, but still young, still trying to figure things out. On figuring things out, this is a fun one. Put this aside. I got some arrows I ordered from Lancaster. This has nothing to do, this is not Lancaster's fault at all, or anything like that. This is actually on Easton. They actually sent me X10s that were the wrong numbers. So they were the correct spine. They were 380s that I ordered, but the carbon numbers on them were a mixture of C1s and C2s, which is not a thing that's supposed to happen. And even Lancaster was surprised by this. But I figured I would share this oddity with you, because from talking to Lancaster, this happens, well, basically never. So I hit the lottery in a weird way, and everything's taken care of, and it's all good. You may have saw a post on my Instagram about it, Anthony Archery 720. Just figured I would share with you guys something that's very rare and doesn't usually happen. But then again, it's always good to keep checking your stuff before you open it all up. The new dozen they sent looks great, as far as I can tell, so that worked out nicely. With that, I want to give you guys updates on tournaments. I will be at Gator Cup. I will be bringing tungsten points, X10 tungsten points, or our version of X10 tungsten points, to Gator Cup. I also got into SoCal Showdown. I was on the waiting list, but just a couple days ago, they opened it up more. I signed up right away, so I will also be going to California, to Chula Vista, and I will be bringing points with me there as well. So if you're in the, California area, or you only go to SoCal, hit me up and I'll have tungsten points for you. Just let me know what you're looking for, and I'll try to have it available and just give them to you in person. I have also signed up for Buckeye, and I intend on signing up for Nationals, or I did sign up for. I've been told I did sign up for Nationals already. Oh yeah, yes. Sorry, there's so many tournaments. So I have signed up for Buckeye and Nationals. Buckeye made the cut before the waiting list started. I got in the same day they initiated the waiting list. I'm sure it'll open up more for other people. Both those events I will also be bringing points if anybody's interested in checking them out or purchasing some. Other than that, we've just been pretty busy. I'm working on making a second target, a permanent outdoor target at 70 meters. So I made the center nice and strong, and then the outside, past the center of the target it's fine. But I'm thinking about doing a 70-meter target outdoors, which would be 90 if I'm shooting from the shooting shack. And then I'll have my mobile 70-meter target that I can bring up to 18 if I want. And then I actually have a third little mini target that's it's probably like a 50-meter face size, like the full 50-meter face size target. So that's pretty cool. I'll probably show you guys the range setup once it is actually complete. I didn't make a video of me pouring the target because it's kind of ran out of material, and now I have to figure out what I want to do with it. Other than that, though, things are going well. I know videos have been a little bit slow and kind of intermittent, but I've been really busy. So I'll try my best. We are getting into the season of filming tournaments and archers shooting. I still have video from Arizona Cup that I have to finish, and then I'm going to have video from Gator Cup that also needs to be filmed. So I got a lot going on. Hopefully I'll be able to do some of that maybe at Gator Cup when I'm not shooting, when I'm in the evening or whatever, or in the morning, maybe edit a few videos and put them up. I'll probably try to edit this one the day before I leave, just so that you guys can get a good update on that, and then try to post it before I actually get to Gator Cup, so people know that I'm bringing points there. But I'll also put posts up on social media. So with that is the update, and 6 years of sure shot archery, still going good. I'm excited. We've got a lot of good things in the works. Then again, we always have things in the works. So it's about making them realities and bringing them to you. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you want, Anthony Archery 720 or Sure Shot Archery. We also have sureshotarchery.com now. We bought that back. And other than that, happy shooting!